This dance is called Made in Mexico. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, beginner level line dance with 2 restarts. Starting on the right foot with a slow chasse. So you're going to step the right to the side, the left beside the right, and step the right to the side. Touch the left beside the right. Step the left to the side, touch the right beside the left. Make a quarter turn left as you step back on that right. Hook that left over the right. So we're literally just lifting it up and resting it in front of that right foot. That set of steps once more then, chasse off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, side, touch, turn, hook. Go forward on the step lock step, so you're going to step forward on the left, lock that right behind the left, so it's literally just tucking behind, and stepping that left forward again. Sweep the right from the back to the front, making gentle contact with the ground as you do so. You're then going to add on a jazz box quarter turn with a cross. So you're going to cross that right over the left, step back on that left, make a quarter turn right, you step forward on that right, and then cross the left over the right. Now that set of steps once more then, step lock off on that left. 7, 8, step, lock, step, sweep, cross, back, turn, cross. Add that to the top. Chasse off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, side, touch, turn, hook, step, lock, step, sweep, cross, back, turn, cross. Straight into a rumba box, backward. So you're going to step the right to the side, left beside right, step back on that right, touch that left beside the right. Step the left to the side, right beside left, step that left forward, scuff the right. So with that scuff, you'll make a gentle contact with the ground with the heel of the foot. That set of steps once more, then back rumba off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, back, touch, side, close, step, scuff. Add that to the top. Chasse off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, side, touch, turn, hook, step, lock, step, sweep, cross, back, turn, cross. Side, close, back, touch, side, close, step, scuff. Add on a rocking chair. So you're going to rock forward on that right, recover your weight back on that left, rock back on that right, recover your weight on the left. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself a quarter of a turn to the left, then cross the right over the left as you rock onto it, and recover your weight back onto that left. Cross rock. That set of steps once more then, rocking chair off on the right. 7, 8, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross, rock. End of the dance when we get to that point, let's put it all together. Chasse off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, side, touch, turn, hook, step, lock, step, sweep, cross, back, turn, cross. Side, close, back, touch, side, close, step, scuff, rock, king, chair, step, pivot, cross, rock. That is your dance. No counts whatsoever in this dance. But it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. And I am going to speed it up a little bit as we go around the walls because the music is just a little bit faster. Chasse off on the right. 7, 8, side, close, side, touch, turn, hook, step, lock, step, sweep, cross, back, turn, cross, side, close, back, touch, side, close, step, scuff, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross. Side, close, back, touch. Side, close, step, scuff, rocking chair. Step, pivot, cross, rock. Side, close, side, touch, turn, hook, step, lock, step, sweep, cross, back, turn, cross. Side, close, back, touch, side, close, step, scuff, rocking chair. Step, pivot, cross, rock. So hopefully you managed to follow that. So that is your dance. Now there are two little restarts in this dance. They come in exactly the same place, which is after 16 counts, so halfway through the dance. So you will have just done your jazz box with your cross, and that is your restart point. You don't go into your rubber box. They come on walls 4 and 9, both of which are in fact your 3 o'clock wall. So let's take you up to 16 counts and restart the dance so you can see how it fits in. Chassé off on the right. 7, 8. Side, close, side, touch, turn, hook, step, lock, step, sweep, cross, back, turn, cross. Restart, side, close, touch, turn, hook. So if you can see how that restart fits in. 16 counts halfway through the dance into walls 4 and 9. So that is actually it. It's your dance, it's your walkthrough, and your restart information. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Side, close, side, touch, turn, hook, step, lock, step, swing, cross, back, turn, cross, side, close, back, touch, side, close, step, step, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross, rock, side, close, touch, turn, hook, step, lock, step, swing, cross, back, turn, cross, side, close, back, touch, side, close, step, rocking chair. Step, pivot, cross, rock, side, close, touch, turn, hook, step, lock, step, swing, cross, back, turn, cross, side, close, back, touch, side, close, step, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross, rock, chassé, restart wall, side, touch, turn, hook, step, lock, step, swing, cross, back, turn, cross, restart, side, close, touch, turn, hook, step, lock, step, swing, cross, back, turn, cross, side, close, back, touch, side, close, step, rocking chair, step, pivot, cross, rock, chassé, step locks, rubber, rocking chair, chassé, step lock, rumba, rocking chair, chassé, step lock, rumba, rocking chair, chassé, next restart wall, step lock, restart, chassé, lock, rumba, rocking chair, you managed that one.